Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Dan O'Donnell, and I wanted to show you a quick demo of the Key Digital app, which is really, really awesome. The Key Digital app comes with every Key Digital device that connects to the network. So it could be AV over IP, could be our VW 4x4 video processor, or even a simple 2x1. So let me show it to you right here. I have a folder bottom left called Key Digital. Let me open that up, and then you're going to hit the silver K black icon to the left here, Key Digital. A little bit different than Compass Control because all it's doing is controlling the Key Digital device. Yesterday, I had a phone call. One of my customers called me up, said, "Hey, we were trying to do a video wall. We got a 3x3. What do we use?" I gave all the parts, and then I asked a simple question like, "Hey, how are you going to control the video wall? You got two inputs. You got 9 screens. What are you thinking?" Well, we're really unsure, and their customer is a little unsure. So what I did is I put together this video sharing it just to show you how cool it is that even with our AV over IP or single devices, you can do the Key Digital app. So once you launch the app, if you're on Wi-Fi, it'll actually automatically start looking for your Key Digital device that's on the network. But for here, you want to hit demo mode. Once you hit demo mode, you can actually continue clicking over and go into the demos. And as you can see here, there's a lot of different demos that you can do. Everything from our 16 by 24, which is a 1080p AV over IP demo. That is a non-video wall system. But I want you all to go and check this out. So if you go almost to the bottom, 4K video over IP, those are our 922s. And what you can see here is really the best demo tool out on the market for AV over IP. So let's say you're sitting with your customer or you're sharing this video with your customer. What better way to see and experience what it would be like to have this Key Digital app in your system? So let's say here we got inputs 1 through 4, or outputs 1 through 4, excuse me. So this is an airport setup, right? You have all these outputs. On the right-hand side, you have all of your inputs, and as you can see, they can scroll up, which is really cool. So you can go to, output number 2, see what input it's on. Same with 3, same with 4. But let me show you where it gets really, really cool. And again, this is included with the Key Digital hardware for the 922 product. So the encoders and decoders, what happens here is every source gets an encoder, every screen gets a decoder. And the other neat thing is because of the processing power in these boxes, we can also do some really awesome video walls as well. So here we happen to have screens 5 through 8, cafe video wall. And as you can see, it's on input number 5. And then there's another one on here, which you can go in from here, and then there are screens 9 through 24, which we'll show you in a second. So let's see, if we go there, you can actually go to presets, and you can actually, in the demo, you can make your own presets. So let's say you want this preset that's on there, you can label it. So let's label it good morning. All right, we save that, and now we go back into it, and it could be good morning, right? And you can hit good morning, you can hit apply, and all the settings are right there. So even a very basic, super easy to use setup is there. And the really, really neat thing, because most of us are graphical and visual people, right? That's why you're watching this video. Hit the video wall icon that's there. On the video wall icon, as you can see, you have your 4 different screens to the video wall cafe. The other neat thing with using Key Digital as your video wall solution is you can use any screen on the market. So if you have budget for those super thin bezel screens, great. Even if you have other screens that maybe have a little bit bigger bezel, you can use them with our system, which is really cool. But check it out. This is how you can control it. So at a minimum, you can go in, you can select between your sources. As you can see, I'm scrolling here. But I could take satellite from number 9. I could put it on the first screen. I could even drag it across, which is cool. Or I could bring in number 10. Or I could go over to 13 and bring 13 in. Or you know what? Now, source number 14 is on the entire video wall, which is so neat. The other cool thing that you can do is you can actually hit the live feed button and get a snapshot of what's on every input, which is really cool within that setup. And if you go back into the switch, so all I did is the buttons at the bottom, I hit switch. Now I want to go to, what's this concourse video wall? Let's check this out. So I go to this. This is screens 9 through 24. If I hit video wall, check it out. Now you actually have a 4x4 video wall on there. And as you can see, what better way can you demo a video wall control than this? There's nothing else out there, especially at this price point, because you're getting the full system. You get your encoders, you'll get your decoders, they all marry within the network switch. And as you go and you install this and you put this into play, all of this is there. There's no additional programming that goes along with it. So it's super easy to use, really, really cool. And best thing is, your customers will absolutely love it. So let's say right here, we want to pop a 3x3. We want to put 15 here. We want to put 12 there. We want 11 here. And we want, let's see, 5 over here. And we want 3 here, 1 here. And let's see, let's do 8. We'll put 8 right there. How cool is that, that you can go in and on the fly, as easy as I just showed you, to do it. So what I want you to do is download the Key Digital app from the Apple App Store. We also have, for those customers that don't have Apple, there is a way, everything I just showed you, you can actually function right from a Windows PC that is on the network of this AV over IP system. So please like the video, share the video, comment, and use this demo. This is the best tool. I have closed on a ridiculous amount of business just by showing this. Not talking about ones and zeros, but showing you how you can actually demo and utilize the system. So thanks a lot, and see you real soon.